Namaste, I'm Aarti Chawla and welcome to my channel, The Indian Playing Girl. Today I will talk about two products that I got from the Derma Co. So I ordered this from their website itself and the packaging looks like this. And when you open it, it is in a green box. And the products were inside this and were totally secured with bubble wrapping. So the first product that I got is this 10% niacinamide serum from them. The bottle looks like this. I have already used this much of serum already. So now I think I am eligible to give you all the review and the feedback of this product. Also, I got another product from them that is biotin and hair vitamin tablets. So this looks like this. Firstly, I'll tell you why I got these products because every other makeup or skin dermat was raving about AHAs and BHA and chemical exfoliants and it was everywhere on the internet basically. So I started hunting for chemical exfoliants which are available in India. The ordinary one are all over the internet but they're not available here in India. So I was searching something, I googled and I got this, the Dermaco one. So I went on their website and searched about these products and read their people's reviews, and it is dermatologically tested, paraben free, silicone free, and it has clinically proven actives in it, and it was also made in India. So ये सब points की वजह से I went ahead and took a decision to get this one. Also I saw some reviews online that the ordinary वाला जो chemical exfoliant है उसमें AHA और BHA की बहुत ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी है, इसीलिए लोगों को वो थोड़ा पैचेस और बर्न दे रहा है, इसीलिए आई वांटेड समथिंग थोड़ा माइल्डर. So this is a really mild one and it has only 10% of niacinamide in it, and this does not contain alcohol, which is a great thing because alcohol dries up your skin a lot. इसमें 10% niacinamide है, 2% AHA है. So AHA helps ऊपर की आपकी लेयर को अच्छा करने के लिए, स्मूथ बनाने के लिए, एंड BHA sinks into your skin, gets absorbed and works inside. एंड जो एक्ने मार्क्स है, आपको जो डार्क पिंपल स्पॉट्स है उस पर वर्क करता है. एंड I have used this product for more than 25 days and this product has worked wonders on me. मैंने पहले tea tree oil and what not, I have tried a lot of things for my acne. मेरा acne जो है genetic है, so it has to come. So tea tree oil लगाने के बाद वो थोड़ा reduce हो जाता था, but it came again and again. But after using this chemical exfoliant, I don't see my pimples coming back. My skin feels clear, and I apply this in the night. These serums are meant to be applied in night only, and you have to use sunscreen and then only step out of your home. अभी तो quarantine है, so I am inside my home itself, and ये रात को मैं लगा के सोती हूँ and सुबह में I wash my face nicely. ओके, सो फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम जब मैंने इसको अप्लाई किया था नाइट में, ओवरनाइट लगा के रखा था, एंड इन द मॉर्निंग इटसेल्फ आई सॉ दैट ल्यूमिनस ग्लो फ्रॉम विद इन द स्किन एंड आई लव्ड द रिजल्ट ऑन माई वेरी फर्स्ट डे इटसेल्फ. सेकेंड थर्ड डे पे हमेशा मुझे और अच्छी दिखती गई, मेरी स्किन काफ़ी ब्राइट हो रही थी. और मुझे वैसे भी ब्लीचिंग करना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. जो आर्टिफिशियल ब्लीच होती है वो स्किन पे आई डोंट लाइक टू अप्लाई दैट बिकॉज इट हैज़ केमिकल्स एंड which is not good for our skin in the long run. So this will lightener or brightener you can say, and it is a chemical exfoliant. You don't have to put scrub onto your face while you're using this because it is exfoliating your skin already from deep within, and it also works really well. BHA works on sebum. सो बहुत अंदर तक वो जाके आपके स्किन के पोर्स को क्लीन करता है और एक्सेस ऑयल प्रोडक्शन कम करता है. So I have noticed that my skin works really well. My skin is loving this product. By the way, इतना मैं बोल रही हूँ, I really want to tell you all that this is not a sponsored video. ये ब्रांड किसी इन्फ्लुएंसर ने जब कोलैबोरेट इस कंपनी के साथ नहीं किया था, इसको मैं तभी ही ऑर्डर कर चुकी थी. अब ये brand is on Nykaa as well, but I have got this long back before it was quite famous. I actually tested it out a lot and इसीलिए फिर मुझे टाइम लग गया इस रिव्यू को अपलोड करने में. So yeah, I mean it works well. Also, chemical exfoliants or chemical peels are meant to be used only about age of 24 or 25 because only then your skin starts getting mature. उससे अगर आप young हो तो ये सब use ना करें because your skin is super delicate. So please use this only if you are kind of adulting. or adulted. सो दिस वर्क्स रियली वेल. आपके स्किन के अंदर जाके काफ़ी अच्छे से वर्क करता है, ब्राइटन करता है नेचुरली आपकी स्किन को. यू डोंट हैव टू पुट एक्स्ट्रा हार्श थिंग्स, स्क्रब्स और ब्लीचेस ऑन योर फेस. दिस विल वर्क वंडर्स. ये मुझे कुछ इतने का पड़ा था. मैं मेंशन कर दूंगी प्राइस स्क्रीन पे बिकॉज मुझे काफ़ी टाइम हो गया इसको लेके. और उस टाइम पे डर्माको की साइट पे ही डिस्काउंट चल रहा था, तो मैंने कुछ डिस्काउंट भी मुझे मिला था. सो या आई मेंशन दैट ऑन द स्क्रीन. I got this in June, I guess. I got this in the month of June, and then I started trying this out, and it worked wonders on me. And इसको मैं रात में लगा के सो जाती हूँ. First day से ही मुझे बहुत अच्छा मुझ पे काम किया. That's it. This is the review of this one. This works really well. It's really into a liquidy form. I don't think I need to, even show that, but still, yeah. So it's a liquid. It's flowing. If you can see. It's a really light, liquidy. It's not at all oily or sticky. It's really nice. It gets absorbed into your skin really, really well. And yeah, this is really well. You are supposed to apply this onto your face and your neck and massage it nicely and just sleep. I also want to share this one experience with you that in the morning मैं 1 या 2 दिन face wash करना भूल गई थी. I just started brushing my teeth. एंड ये मेरे माउथ में चला गया था बिकॉज आई अप्लाइड इट अराउंड माई माउथ एज वेल. पूरे फेस पे ही लगाना होता है ये. तो मेरे ये माउथ में चला गया था एंड माई टंग आगे से फ्रंट सेक्शन से स्टार्टेड बर्निंग. एंड मुझे 2 से 3 दिन तक कुछ सेंसेशन नहीं आ रहा था बिकॉज ये मेरी टंग पे लग गया था. सो make sure to wash your face nicely whenever you wake up, and only then eat or brush. Also even brush भी आपको नहीं करना है if you're applying this. So make sure that you take care of yourself and your tongue as well. This is a 30 ml of product, and its shelf life is 2 years, so you can use it for 2 years. So this serum is supposed to be kept at a safe place. The cap should also be tied. So in order to keep it safe, I keep it in the box itself, and then I keep the box in my dressing table. Thoda zyada, for the care and to save the product. It also claims that it fades away the dark marks that you get from acne or pigmentation. So it has really, really worked on my acne scars. I will put the photo, before and after photo over here somewhere, and you will literally love. You will be surprised to see, how it has worked in a really less time, because I have gone to dermats and I have taken their medicines, etc. But frankly speaking, they did not work, and this worked on me so well. It claims that this product helps you to maintain your skin clean, clear, and vibrant too. And it helps to unclog your pores. And I exactly have experienced the same from this, and I'm super impressed with this product. It has done wonders. मतलब बहुत अच्छा काम किया है. मेरी स्किन में जो छोटे छोटे बम्स होते थे, वो भी बहुत हद तक रिड्यूस हो गया है. मेरी स्किन में एक्चुअली बम्स है ही नहीं अभी, जो कि बहुत हुआ करते थे पहले. एंड इट हैज़ रिड्यूस माई एक्ने स्कार्स. इट हैज़ गिवन माई स्किन द इनर ग्लो विच आई वॉन्टेड. इट हैज़ क्लियर्ड माई स्किन. मुझे ब्लैक हेड्स एंड वाइट हेड्स का प्रॉब्लम भी नहीं है. अगर आपको ब्लैक हेड्स एंड वाइट हेड्स है, सो यू कैन ट्राई, एंड दिस वर्क्स ऑन बोथ वेरी वेल. तो जब से मैंने ये चालू किया है यूज़ करना, मुझे ब्लैक हेड्स भी नहीं आ रहे. अदरवाइज आई यूज टू गेट अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ ब्लैक हेड्स ऑल्सो and whiteheads in this area, but now I do not have anything because of this product. And this is not a sponsored video, so relax, and this is amazing product. So yeah, again telling you that if you are about 24, 25, maturing, if your skin is kind of getting matured, you can go for this and try. And वैसे भी ये mild है, so this won't harm you. And the Pixie one and the ordinary one is super concentrated. So before trying something very, very concentrated, my tip will be to use something which is low in concentration. आपको भी पता चलेगा आपकी स्किन पे ये सूट हो रहा है या नहीं. So this is it about this. This product has worked really wonders on my skin. I'm feeling really nice and great about this investment. I'm happy that I did go for this and tried it out. Now moving on to a second product which I got from the same brand, that is Dermaco, and this is Biotin and Hair Vitamins. अब इसमें 30 capsules आती हैं, and this was worth rupees, I will mention on the screen. It has iron, vitamin B5, vitamin C, etc. And it is really good for your hair and this and that. But frankly, I did not see any difference. मेरे hair जैसे थे वैसे ही है. So this was kind of disappointing. Actually, एक्सटर्नल मैंने कभी लिया नहीं है vitamins, कभी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी है, but I thought of including this into my routine so that I'll feel something good or something healthy with this serum. तो ले ही रही थी, मैंने सोचा फिर ये भी try कर लेती हूँ. But this actually did not show any result, and I was so like excited to use this. अभी भी मैंने इसको फिर मैंने use करना ही इसको बंद कर दिया. I still have 7 to 8 tablets left in this because I was like expecting good, after a week, after 2 weeks also, 14 days के बाद भी आप expect करते हो कि एटलीस्ट कुछ आपके हेयर में शाइन दिखे या कुछ तो दिखे, but there was nothing. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it, and this was my fair and sincere review for you all, and I am planning for a giveaway on my channel very very soon, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care, stay blessed. Mwah.